Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kakunhun ginong tray master role ha kajing yalang kabalalong ha ka khat pratrik unailar kalatao daka all Meghalaya master role Progressive Workers Union nagabanta ban pensngau ya kajing bat kijing dawa sya ki tendong skor jong ka sarkar jila ha ka bayadai bat kajing sieu ya kabainong sngi bat kiwei kajing mentoi baki dei ban yo kum ginong belas ngi uba Nazarias ke lanong Ubarang Shusha Jiet kumu Presiden ka All Meghalaya Master Role Progressive Workers Union hak jing kren bat gilat patai kubor ulayatu bak jing tau ya kani ka kunhon kalong hadien baki syem bakam dan setia kanu kalat kalenti ka papli yaki ban lek pensngau ya jing syaka sarkar namar ka jing bumdan ya ka kunhon ka baklan Hagani kajing yalang kabalalong menta kasingi hanong ba shalong lawan isim mentaru daki nong tray master role jong kitna tray kamba per ka sarkar jela na rilom garo Kinong tray master role menta kasingiru kila jiet ya kinong kit kamba pura jong kane ka kunhon hapo ka jingalam jong uba Nazarias ke lanong kumu president uba Hubert Kharbani kumu general secretary bat kiwei kinong kit kam
ni ha ka jing tray kam kumu master role no te ni kendo sibon ki jing ha ka bedai ka jing seu ka jing tada ibangi dei hok bari ban yo te henry ngimyo te nangata ni yo I bai don chipon ke ba nakaliang mangi master ngi de banyo te henry ni mio ai kini ke te ka kalenti ka ba mangi ngin pat damangi hingi ma ban pen I kini jing kum ki bai nong ki ba ngi ngila trei namar ba menta ngila trei don chipon ba jing trei ki me trei menta kum master utrei teng kum ya kaya kam jong sikidar teng ya ka kam jong u pom operator kum kita ki jong ki super jong ki tinamar kai ke jing ka bangi ni kendo long ba kam kala ki abi te la dari ka kam kala ki ngi te banyo kan ya kita ki tulop kat kum ka kam ka badai ki namar ba ya ki sikida la seu da ka tulop ka ba ki dei banyo kum ki sikida te balai la da mangi master ro ni tre ya ka to ka kam kum badai u ayu ni banyo kan namar ni kwa ya kata ka equal pay equal work.
Now we are going to ask and now we are going to demand our needs with the government. Whatever the government has been given us, all our benefits from our government side, we are not getting. But another departments like MHL and like forest, they are getting no. Only we how many? PHC, irrigation, and PWD, and soil, and other wildlife department also, they are also not getting anything. So therefore, from the Shillong also, they call us to come here, and also, but from our side, the PWD, they are not coming today. But they will be agree to join with us now. Yeah. So that's all. Our main target is to get our all the benefits. Whether the government will be regularize us or not, will be continuing demand.